Okay, today I'm going to show you how I create this social media post using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get into it. Assets I'm using in the social media post. I have included all those assets in a PSD and put a link in the description so you can download them and follow with me. So this is what you're gonna open when you download the PSD and open it. So this is what you will be looking at. So the social media's width and height must be 1080 and 1080 because it's the recommended size for a social media post. Alright, so and the color mode I'm using RGB. It's because I'm going to create this social media for the digital medias. Alright, so let's begin with how to do this social media post. Okay, for firstly I'm gonna click on this photo and Control T to transform it, and I'm going to increase the size of it like so. Alright, and place it like right here. Okay, now I'm going to click on this and make it bigger as well, right? And I'm going to choose hard light, and then I'm going to create a mask button, and I'm going to go for the brush tool. And in the brush tool I'm going to choose a soft round brush with hardness 0, and I'm going to increase the brush size by pressing the right bracket key on the keyboard, and make sure you have the black color as the foreground color, and then paint it like that, right? Okay, now I'm going to get this burger image and increase its size like so. Alright, and I'm going to select and mask it out. To do that I'm going to use Photoshop select subject option, and I'm going to select mask button. Alright, so it done a pretty good job, but there are some refinements to be made, like right here. There are some white edges, we have to fix that. To do that I'm going to go for the brush tool and increase the hardness to 100 all the way, and decrease the brush size and paint it. Make sure you have foreground color as the black, and select the mask and paint the areas that you do not want, right, like so. Alright, now I'm going to select this burger, and the burger's brightness value is not exactly what we want, so I'm going to increase its brightness value a little bit more. To do that I'm going to create a brightness adjustment layer and clip it to the burger and increase the brightness like so. Alright, now I'm going to select it, both of these adjustment layer and burger, and Ctrl G to group it. Alright, now I'm going to select this smartphone and Ctrl T to transform it and scale it up like so. Alright, okay, now I'm going to select it, align it to canvas, and select horizontal and vertical. Alright, now I'm going to select this group and Ctrl T, transform it, and yeah, place the burger right here maybe, and horizontally centered. Okay, place it like right here. Alright, now I'm gonna zoom in, and I'm gonna create a perfect circle. To do that I'm gonna get the ellipse tool and hold shift. While holding shift you can create a circle so that your circle is perfect, and I'm going to change its color to something white, something yellowish color. Like I'm gonna type FFD 000 and select OK. Alright, then I'm gonna get the logo PNG and place it right here, Control T, and yeah, place it on the circle and select both of it and align to selection and horizontally and vertically align, and then align it to canvas and horizontally center. Alright, now I'm going to Control minus and now I'm going to select this onion PNG and place it right here, and click on this tomato slice and place it right here. Okay, and select this tomato slice. I'm gonna go for filter, blur, motion blur, and I'm gonna go for like 21. That will be good. And then I'm gonna duplicate it to this onion size as well. To do that, I'm gonna select the motion blur eyeball and all and drag it to this. Alright, so both of the motion blur has been placed. Now I'm gonna select this onion PNG and then right click on it and go for the blending option and choose drop shadow. And I'm gonna go for like increase the distance maybe. Alright, and okay. Now I'm gonna hold Alt, click on this drop shadow and place it on the tomato slice as well. Alright, so you can adjust the drop shadow of the tomato slice. So I double click in the drop shadow and decrease the opacity of that maybe like so. Alright, so now I'm going to get this one right here and place it like right here maybe, and increase the size, Control T to transform it. Yeah, place it like right here. Okay, and choose this order now button and horizontally center it and place it right here. Decrease the burger size a little bit. Alright. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom in. Right, now I'm gonna select this PNG and click on the mask button and get the brush tool and choose hardness all the way to 100. Increase the brush size a little bit and make sure you have foreground color as the black, and mask the area like so that you do not want. Right there. Okay, now I'm gonna create a new layer and get the pen tool and create a path like so. And make selection and select open. Now I'm gonna go for solid color and enter FFD 000. Okay, alright. Now I'm going to select this order now PNG button and okay, now I'm going to duplicate that solid color and hold Alt and drag it to the top to duplicate it and delete the layer mask of it and clip it to the order now PNG and choose color. Right, so the color of that increase. Alright, create a new layer and get the brush tool, hold Alt and choose a color of this orangey color like so. Okay, and then choose screen choose a soft round brush with the hardness 0 and create a lens flare like that, and a little bit smaller one right here, maybe a big one. Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, now I'm gonna click on the burger, and underneath the burger I'm going to create a new layer and choose default color. For that I'm going to press D, and the foreground color is black now, and with the soft round brush selected I'm going to decrease the flow a little bit more, like 20s, and create a shadow underneath this burger. Alright, and that shadow I'm gonna clip it into the smartphone. So where's my smartphone? Okay, and I'm gonna select that shadow and right click, create clipping mask to the smartphone. Okay, and a little bit more shadow, like right here, right under the burger. Okay, right, now I'm going to select this QR and place it right here, and now I'm going to get the text tool and create a text with the font. I'm going to choose Bad Grunge font. You can download it for free in the Google, and I'm going to type mobile, and I'm going to increase the font size to all the way 300 maybe. Okay, 350. 300 would be good. I'm going to go for 350. Right, and I'm going to choose this text part and change its color to this yellowish color. Alright, and I'm going to Ctrl T to transform it, and I'm going to enter -90 degree and place it like right here. Alright, and I'm going to place that text underneath the smartphone. Okay, and increase the size maybe a little bit. Yeah, like that. Okay, I'm gonna select this PNG, Ctrl T to warp it, and okay, you can't warp because there is a mask in this PNG. For that I'm gonna convert it to a smart object first, and then Ctrl D and warp it. Right, so yeah, I'm gonna warp it a little bit more like that. Now I'm gonna select this mobile text and Ctrl J to duplicate it, Ctrl T to transform it, and then place it right here maybe. Okay, and then I'm gonna type shops. This text part as white color, right? And then I'm going to increase its text size and place it like right here. Alright, now I'm going to create a new layer right above the text and right below the smartphone, and then I'm going to choose the soft round brush, and I'm going to tilt the shape of this brush to like that and like that. Alright, and now I'm gonna make sure you have the black color as the foreground and increase the brush size like so, right, and maybe a little bit thinner shape, right, and create a shadow, increase the flow a little bit like 670 and create a shadow, and also right here. Alright, okay, now I'm gonna select the mask button and change this shape to like right here, and with the foreground color as the black color, and I'm gonna mask this excess part of the shadow like so. Alright, OK. Now we have something cooler. I'm gonna select that shadow and choose the multiply option and decrease the opacity a little bit like so. Now I'm gonna select the burger shadow as well and choose the blending modes as multiply and decrease the shadow a little bit like so, and create a gradient layer. The gradient, I'm gonna choose this transparent foreground black color and do transparent gradient and select OK. Now I'm gonna select OK. Alright, now I'm gonna create a text right here and I'm gonna type www.website.com and the text size would be like 30, and I'm gonna choose Poppins font, Poppins regular font, and I'm gonna choose horizontal and place it like right here. So there must be one W missing, right? Now that's okay. Just align it to. Alright. So that is good. Okay, so that's how I created this social media post using Adobe Photoshop. I hope you understand it. See you in next video. Bye bye.